Go.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much to everybody to be here again. Today we have some information that we want to give you. First of all, as you know, we are trying to make a video presentation of all the facilitators that are going to participate in this 7-language MOOC. Some of you have already sent us the video, others haven't. If you want, we can do the recording here on air, online today, but we prefer to do it at the end of the session. Perhaps we don't have the video of Victor, Lawrence, Paul, Sornitza, and I think Dafinka. Hello, Dafinka. So if you agree, we can do the recording at the end of the session. Is that okay for you? You can answer in the chat. Perfect. Thank you, Paul. The video is a very short video where we want you to introduce yourself, just saying your name, where do you work, where do you live, and perhaps a short sentence in your language, like see you in the MOOC or something like this. But we will do that at the end. Perfect. Lawrence, if you prefer to do it by your own at your home, you can do that, and you can send a file afterwards. If you have any doubt about it, any question? Perfect. So another thing we want to inform today, it's about the warm-up activities. There are some warm-up activities that you can begin doing. They are very, very easy. And the main objective of these warm-up activities is to make a little noise of the course before beginning it. So there are two main activities that we encourage you to do. One activity is to pin you in the Google Maps we've created of the MOOC. Now I will share with you the link of the map on the chat. Okay, this is the map that we created for the MOOC. So you can access and pin yourself in this map. So we can see the map growing in participants. You also can find the link to the map once we finish this session in the Twitter of the Handsome. So you can access the Twitter account of the Handsome and you will find the link. Okay, Pencho. Mireia, Pencho said that there's some problem with the echo.
What kind of echo? Sorry?
Yes, Pencho said that is an echo that repeats.
Only the forehead, I think, is their micro, probably.
I don't know.
Okay, I think I know. Victor, are you mute all of your micros?
Hello.
Hello, Victor. How are you?
I'm fine. Are you hearing me?
Yes. Thank you for being here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Sorry,
But I have
this is just a repetition of everything that you said, but with a minute delay. I don't know why this is happening.
Yes, thank you, Pencho. Mireia is trying to solve it. Okay.
I think we hear perfect.
Hello, Irma. Hello, Da Finca. We can see you here. Okay. Pencho, I don't know if it's your micro or something of your computer.
I don't know what to do. I don't really exactly know what to do now because it is showing me that there's an error.
Sorry, Victor, we cannot hear you very well. I think your micro is very loud. Sorry for that. Thank you, Lawrence. Thank you, Da Finca. So, Victor, can you say it again?
Yes, I was just saying that I'm Cameroonian. I'm a teacher, and
Sorry, something is happening with your audio. We cannot hear you very well. You can write it in the chat. Perhaps we can answer your question.
okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
So while Victor is doing that in the chat, I continue giving you some information about the warm-up activity. So one is the map, and another one is to make a little noise using your social network. So we would like you to publish, for example, information about the MOOC in your Twitter, or perhaps you can publish the link of the map in your Twitter or in your Facebook, and you can publish any information you find interesting about the MOOC in your social network. So what we wanted to make a little noise before the beginning of the course. So I don't know if you can do that. That works for you? Perfect. Thank you. We are using in a Twitter one hashtag that you can use when publish a tweet about it. That is this one that is Mireia is showing you, but I write it down in the chat also. Hands on. It's hands-on pilot 3. So if you publish a message, you can use this hashtag. That would be great. Okay. So these are the two warm-up activity we would like you to do during these weeks before the course. Another question that we want to insist a little is that if you receive in your email, you have a message, I think Muriel sent you, about the organization of the different language groups of facilitators. I don't know if Mireia can show this is the document. So this document is to start organizing the groups of facilitators per language. And we would like you to put your name and perhaps to say what are the tasks that you would like to do during the MOOC. Some of you are already there, but we think it would be great you to have it in each language. It will be easy for begin organizing. I'll also publish the link in the chat. I think it will be. See? If somebody needs the link or cannot access, please let me know. Before going on, do you have any question? Any doubt? Is everything okay? Fine, then I go on. So there are some dates that I want you to write. There are one session that I think it's not in the planning of the facilitators. This is that the October 1st at the same time, 3 p.m. Barcelona time. we want to do a special session about the ILDE tool. You know about ILDE is one of the tools we are using in the MOOC. Yes, perfect. So we are going to do a special session to introduce to the tool and explain the functionalities of this tool. The 1st October at 3 p.m. Barcelona time. Another important date is the 6th, 6th October. We will do the first training activity with Gisai Moore. I think in your planning were the 3rd October, but this session of the 3rd is cancelled, so we are going to do the session the 6th. That works for you? Yes? Okay. Perfect. Thank you, Jean-François, for the link. Davinia is the one that is going to explain you about the ILDE this day. Yes, of course, Victor. He says that it is possible to give written instructions. Do you mean about ILDE? Well, we will give you written instructions about ILDE and also about all this information we are giving. So more things that we wanted to tell you is that we are thinking of changing the convergence, well, the facilitator sessions that we have on Friday, and we are thinking on doing that on Thursday at the same time, 3 p.m. Barcelona time. Would that work for you? You can answer in the chat and we will see if Thursday are a good day for you. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Jean-François. Irma, thank you. Lawrence, thank you. Okay, that's great. So perhaps we are going to change the facilitators sessions to Thursday, and also we will do the convergence sessions that of the MOOC on Thursday. But we will inform about it in a written message. So another question that I want to ask you is, we are thinking of doing a convergence session in English, but also to do a convergence session during the MOOC in the local language. So each language will have a convergence session. Would you like to do that in your English, in your language community? Yes? Do you find great? Thank you, Jean-François. So if you agree of doing, thank you, Irma. If you agree of doing a local conversion session in your own language, it would be great you to tell us which day is the best for you to do that. So if you go to the document of the facilitators organization, you will find that we've added a line saying date and time for the local conversion session. Here you can put the date that is better for you. I don't know, Mireia, if you can show us the document of the group organization. Sorry about that. Perfect. So you can see there's a line. If you can specify there where what's the better day for you to do the local session. Perfect. So questions, doubts? Is everything okay? Clear? Yes, Jean-François asks about the conversion sessions. Are about content? Yes, they are about content. Sometimes there are doubts about the tools. So we solve problems about the tools or technological aspects, but also about the content. Each week we try to talk about the specific content of the week. For example, if it's about the personas, we talk about the personas, and we try to invite to have people of the MOOC to participate in the convergence session for them to tell us how the week is going. Okay, Paul is asking if you are in the English sessions. What do you mean English sessions? In the convergence sessions of the MOOC?
Yeah, you said they're going to be delivered in English initially. Does that mean that I can participate in that, or?
Yes, yes. If you are in the English one, you will be in the general that will be in English.
Okay.
Perfect.
That's what I thought. I just wanted to double check.
Okay, thank you. More questions? Great. So one more and last thing I want to say is about your learning journal as facilitators. We would like you to have a learning journal of the process of being a facilitator during the 5-week, well, during till now to the end of the MOOC, for having an idea of how to be a facilitator is. But we will explain you where to do that. But we will establish a tool, a specific tool, for you to explain the process of learning. You know that the participants of the MOOC have a personal journal for explaining their experience in the MOOC, but we would like you also as facilitators to have one journal. But we will explain that more in the future, okay? So this is all the information I wanted to share with you. If there's no any question, we can begin doing the recording of the video of those that wants to do it today. Is that okay for you? Okay, Jean-François, you have a question. In a French convergence session, would I be on my own to explain content? So, no. There will be the convergence session in English. So there we will talk about the general aspects of the course. So the content is the general aspects. We will talk about it in the convergence session in English. But perhaps in your local convergence session, there is someone that asks about the content. But we can help on that also if you need support. Okay. Also, Mireia said that for organizing the session with a Hangout, Mireia can do that for you. That's why we need to know the specific date and an hour for her to be available. Okay, perfect. Lawrence, is everything okay? Paul, Pencho? Yes, Victor? Zornitza? La Finca? Perfect. So if you agree, we can go on doing the recording. Who wants to begin? Paul, do you want to be the first one?
Sounds like I've been set up. Yes, I can do the first one. So I'm just an introduction, is it?
Yes, you just say your name, where do you live, or where do you work, if you want something about your experience. And at the end, you can see a sentence, well, in your case, is in English, like see you on the MOOC or something like this. It's just a short introduction, 30 seconds, 1 minute, but no more.
Very short. And if you can put down a little bit more the camera.
Put it down a bit
little
more.
bit, only a little. Oh, okay, better. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready. Go.
Okay, my name is Paul Taylor. I work for the Learning Machine, which is an awarding organisation which does qualifications in the UK and Europe. And I developed the resources for the organisation. And prior to that, I've worked in e-learning for quite a long time. So I worked for a Moodle company for about 7 years. And I've worked with Mahara and various other open source technologies. So before that, I was an IT teacher. So I was teaching students how to use information technology and computing. And I live in the southwest of England in Dorset. Okay. And that's it.
Perfect, Paul. Now it's turn of Mireia to say if that was okay.
It was a little noise at the end. I don't know if we can repeat it very easy.
Yes, I can repeat it.
Thank you.
Sorry, yes, it was a noise, a weird noise. Sorry, Paul, for that.
Right, I can do it again, that's no problem. So my name is Paul Taylor. I work for an organisation called the Learning Machine, which is an awarding organisation. They do qualifications predominantly in the UK, but also in Europe, and it's mostly STEM qualifications: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Before that, I worked for a Moodle partner for about 7 years, and prior to that, I was an IT teacher, so I taught students how to use computers. And I live in Dorset, which is in the southwest of England, just not too far from Stonehenge.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Paul. Now, who wants to be next? Lawrence, you tell us that you will send the file.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Do you want to do it now, or you want to send the file?
No, I can do it now. Do you want the last sentence in my mother tongue at the end?
Yes, it will be great.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So, hi, my name is Laurence. I live in Canada, in Ottawa. I was a French teacher as a second language and also a pedagogical counselor for 10 years. And I quit everything and I'm back to studies. I'm a graduate student in e-learning's education, like long distance education. That's pretty much it. À très bientôt pour ce 3e projet pilote.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you very much. It was perfect. Let's go, Pencho. Are you ready?
Pencho, I need that you go a little bit back.
How do you see
Please.
me?
Because I only see your face here.
Yeah, isn't it enough? What about that? Is it okay?
If you can prepare.
I am too far from the mouse. Okay. Okay. So, shall I begin?
Okay.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah. Is it okay, like a video frame? Is it okay? Is it okay, like a video?
Yes, let's go.
Yeah, like a picture. Okay. Hello, my name is Pencho Michnev. I live in Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, and I'm working at Sofia University, the Faculty of Mathematics and Informatics, the Department of Information Technology. So I'm working in the area of e-learning. I'm assistant in e-learning. Just before I worked for a company for seven years in this domain also. But at the beginning of my career, I worked 12 years as a teacher in mathematics and informatics. Then being in the Ministry of Education. Then all my life in education actually, and pretty much concerned with distance education and e-learning as well. So this is in short, and очаквам да ви видя в МООC курса. Thank you.
Perfect.
I think it's perfect. Yes, yeah, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now,
Bernita?
I think we can see you Let's see if we can hear you.
Hello?
Perfect. So do you want to do the recording today?
Yes, okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Mireia, is okay the image?
More or less, if she can go a little bit back.
Is it okay?
Yes, you're a little bit better now. Perfect.
Thank you.
So, but
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, my name is Zornica Yakova, and I'm from Bulgaria and Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria. I'm colleague Pentru and working as a professor assistant, and I'm also PhD student at Sofia University, Information Technology Department of Faculty of Mathematics and Informatics. My classes are related basically with computer networks and different ICT technologies. And I'm working at the university since 10 years and more, teaching and having classes. The sentence is in Bulgaria. Ще се видим скоро на пилот 3 MOOC курсовете.
Perfect. Thank you.
okay, thank you, Tornitsa. Very good. So we have Dafinka, but I don't know if you have a camera. Hello, Dafinka? I think she's not available.
Hello,
Perfect.
I'm here, but I don't have camera.
Okay, okay. So if you don't mind, can you send us a short video about introducing yourself?
It's better idea than to show me just a picture.
Yes, yes, I think it's better. So you can send us a video during this week, if possible.
I will try.
Perfect. Well, this week, today is Friday. Next week, then. So thank you very much. I think I haven't forget anything, any information. So if you don't have any questions, we meet on the October 1st with the ILDE session. Okay?
Perfect.
Thank you very
Okay,
much.
perfect.
See you very soon.
See you.
See you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.